Hey folks, my name is John Thompson. I am a Java developer, primarily specializing in the Spring Framework. Been doing it for over a decade. I've been in IT for coming up on 25 years now, which is kind of a scary thought that I've been doing this stuff for that long. I actually started in the industry as an intern doing training documentation for a software company that did warehouse management systems. And that was quite some time ago. I worked with that company, went into project management, did a lot of system architecture and design work. And along my career, I became more and more technical and started focusing on being strictly a Java developer. That's over a decade ago. Today, my primary income is from doing consulting and working with clients. I am a freelance Java developer. I've been doing that for a while now, and it goes quite well for me. I enjoy the lifestyle and the flexibility. It also gives me a chance to see a lot of new and challenging stuff. The clients that I work with are doing a lot of high volume stuff, a lot of very interesting stuff. Really just the sweet spot for the Spring Framework when you start getting into large transactional processing and things that really have to scale. So that's kind of the niche that I've been working in lately. My personal life, I'm a triathlete, so I do a lot of training. Let's see here, I'm recording this in actually April 1st, 2017, and just getting ready for triathlon season. So got my first triathlon coming up here in another couple weeks, St. Anthony's Triathlon. Actually thinking about doing another half Ironman this year, see if I can pull that off. Maybe that's a little too much. So when I'm not doing coding and course content creation, I'm out running or cycling or swimming or something like that, or just headed out downtown St. Pete with my friends. So a lot of great content in this course ahead. Really try to work in a lot of my experience into it, not show you just the mechanics, but also my experience from actually using these technologies out in the field, so you can get a feel for that and leverage my experience from what I've done out in the field. So I really hope you enjoy the content ahead of you.